Today we're going to show you how you perform a user test on the Zoll monitor. First, you want to make sure that the one-step CPR complete pads are plugged into your Zoll monitor. You also want to make sure that the plug is removed from the red outlet in the wall prior to doing your user test. You're first going to observe that there is a green check mark in the window here. This means that the monitor performed its self-test overnight and it was successful. If you do not see a green check in this window and see a red X, you're going to stop and you're going to call CPD immediately. To begin your test, you are going to turn your defibrillator from the off to the defibrillator mode. You're going to proceed to press energy select down until you get to 30 joules. At this point, you're going to hit charge. Prior to hitting shock, you're going to make sure that the defibrillator is able to disarm itself and press down. Now at 20 joules, the defibrillator was able to disarm itself. We're going to go back up to 30 joules, hit charge once more, and now we will hit shock. You should see 30 joule test okay, and you will see the paper start to print out at the top. You may have seen paper when you approach the monitor to do your test. That's totally normal. Sometimes it will print out. Once I get my printout, I'm going to ensure that the date and time are correct and that it says test okay. If the date and time were not correct, I'm going to go to options, more, set clock. From this screen, I'll be able to increase or decrease the values and move through. Once the date and time are correct, I'll hit enter and return, and I will turn this to off.